Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have two of the most popular Iranian hors d'oeuvre or pre-food, or even they accompanied with the main dish, and you can use it as an appetizer, you can use it as a snack, or anytime that you want it, or mix it with your actual dish. Now it's so simple and easy, so that I decided to make both of them at the same time. One of them is going to be Mast O Khiar, which is yogurt and cucumber dip. The other one, it's called Salad Shirazi. Is a salad that famous as a Salad Shirazi. So there is not too much ingredients, and at the same time there is not too much of measurement, because it's whatever is in there is just makes it a little bit different. Is the spices and the salt, pepper. That is absolutely, it's your choice of the taste. You want it, more or less, you can do it. Let's go over ingredients and start making it. Okay, Mast O Khiar, as it says, khiyar, cucumber, and moss yogurt. So start with that. There is about 3 cups of the yogurt. I rather to have just a heavy one, just like a Greek yogurt or something. Just it's a very firm yogurt. Here you go. So these are washed clean. So I'm just going to cut this to the size that I like for the Mast O Khiar. So as you see, I'm finely chopping them. The best cucumber for this is a Persian one. These are Persian cucumber, but if you don't have it, any kind, it would do it. So as you see, I'm going to use 3 for the Mast O Khiar and 3 of the cucumber for Salad Shirazi. All right, let's, as you see, it's been ready. Just I'm gonna add them to our yogurt. And going to mix these together, and it's the time for adding the spices. Okay, what we used for the Mast O Khiar, it's salt. Again, it's up to your taste. It's, I can say about a 1/4 teaspoon. And pepper. Black pepper. I like to be a little bit peppery side. A little bit of the garlic powder. And dry dill. So as you see, it's all about the pinch and how much you like to have. And here is our dry mint. That's it. And we mix them very well together. All right, this is Mast O Khiar original. Some people, they like to add to that a crushed walnut or some raisin or whatever. It's totally up to you guys, but this is original Mast O Khiar Irani. And for just making it a little bit nice looking garnishment, they can put some of these rose bud, dried rose bud, which is it comes from Iran, and people they do that also for just making it look nice, beautiful looking, and I do the same thing. Here you go. This is it. Now we go and make our Salad Shirazi. All right, here is our Salad Shirazi ingredients: onion, cucumber, tomato, lime juice, and salt, pepper, also olive oil. Okay. We do the same way that I chopped this cucumber for our Mast O Khiar. It's the same way that we are going to do that with this Salad Shirazi cucumber also. These are very popular right now in the Iranian restaurant everywhere in the world. So they do have both of these as a appetizer in their menu. Okay, now transfer these to our bowl that is going to use for the Salad Shirazi. I hope it's not as small, but if it is, I'm going to change it. Now, cutting our tomato. I use the Roman kind because it has more meat and is solid for the salad. It makes it nice looking and much better shape than the one that's on vein. Transferring it to our salad bowl. The last ingredients, the main ingredients actually, it's this onion. So you can use any onion, red, white, or brown. It's okay, doesn't make any difference. But I prefer this one. First of all, it's colorful, and it tastes always is better for the salad. Also goes in there together. I use the other half also. Here you go. Beautiful. Going to mix them very well. You know what? I'm going to do this. I'm putting here for mixing, and then I'm transferring it to, you see how colorful and beautiful this salad is? All right, so right now I'm gonna add the sea salt or any kind of salt that you like. All right, and pepper, black pepper. You can use the fresh one grounded, which is going to be much nicer taste. And here you go. Get the lime juice. This is actually totally is up to you. If you want to put more or less, you can choose how much you want to put for the lime juice into this. For me, I think one is enough, but it's not. I can taste it and add. So this is good for now. Let me again mix them. Okay, the last one is your olive oil. By the way, you can keep this in the fridge, both of these, Salad Shirazi and Mast O Khiar, up to a few days, even a week. Especially if you don't put the any lime juice or lemon juice in this salad, you can keep it in the fridge for 1 week, and you can use it anytime that you desire as a snack, or just as I said, anytime that you want to have a food. These days, this Salad Shirazi, it goes hand by hand with a few of Iranian Persian dish. One of them is Lubia Polo, which is a green bean and a rice. It really, really, really is. It is not going to be food unless you have this with it. So here you go, done. All right, guys, these are the Mast O Khiar and Salad Shirazi that we are talking about. Both of them are wonderful, accompanied with the main dishes, or before the food as appetizer, or as a wonderful dips for the chips. With this Mast O Khiar, it makes it wonderful dips, and both of them are best mazeh for people that they know what is mazeh. And I wish that you make it. Tell me if you like it. Until next time with another dish from my kitchen. Bye.